Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Trillionaire Mac. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be breaking down our trading record for last week, okay? So between November 15th through November 19th, we're going to be breaking down our trading record, exactly what went in, exactly what came out, what we lost, what we won, the return on investment, all of that good information. So we're going to be breaking this down trade by trade, all right? The entire full third week of November. So with that being said, if you're not subscribed to this YouTube channel, feel free to go ahead and subscribe. All right, I would love for you guys to be a part of our YouTube family. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like. This is going to be based around my Telegram community. Okay, so for those of you all who don't want to see the results of the Telegram community, feel free to go ahead and click off this video now. We really won't be talking about too much educational content. This will pretty much be us backtesting and going over our trades from the Telegram channel last week. All right, so with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's get into it. All right, so of course we can start with gold. So last week we were playing within this range here, okay, and those of you within my Telegram community, gold was right here. I told you guys we would look for price to push to the upside and then push down. Okay, now I did do a full breakdown of gold, so you guys can feel free to go check that out. Okay, it should be maybe the last video or the past two videos that I uploaded, one of the two. All right, feel free to go check that out. We can see that price did push to the downside, and on this trade here, we were able to collect around 14.57%. Okay, based on the higher time frame. So 14.57%, so not bad. And remember, guys, we only risk around 1% per trade. Okay, I don't risk any more than 1% per trade right now, but eventually, you know, of course, we will up that as time continues. Okay, we may up that. It all depends. But within my Telegram channel, I always tell my community, make sure you guys are risking only 1% per trade, because if we lose, you know, even if we lose 2 trades in a row, you know, losing 2% of your trading account is not going to hurt you in comparison to if you're risking, you know, 10% per trade. Losing 20% within your trading account will definitely affect you. Okay, so with risking 1%, we were able to collect 14.57% on this trade. Not too bad. The next trade we're going to go over is AUD/USD. Now, when I did upload this trade for you guys, and we're currently in an AU trade right now, currently in profit, but you know, this is a pretty weak risk to reward, so I'm not too worried about that trade there. Now, I did update you guys on this trade when we were up around 13R, which was somewhere within this area here, I want to say. All right, and I forgot to update you guys when we hit full take profit. So we did end up hitting full take profit on this trade. If you guys go back and look at the AUD/USD trade breakdown from the past like 5 to 7 days around there, you guys will see that we were in profit around 13.87% or 81% or something like that. And I told you guys that I was looking for price to continue to push down and hit our H4 target, which was right here. Okay, within the Telegram channel, okay, price was here when I announced this trade to our Telegram clients, all right, in our Telegram community. So price pushed up. We were able to get an entry schematic that I give you guys within the Telegram community. Okay, the entry schematic was given, and we can see that price pushed to the downside. So this was a very, very successful trade, banking us around 27.69R. All right, it's simply rinse and repeat. Those of you that have been a part of the Telegram community for quite some time, you guys know that usually my zones are hit, and usually we do get an entry, and it usually pays us just like this one does. All right, and just like our gold trade did as well. All right, currently this trade here, we actually just got off of a Sunday night webinar call with the Telegram clients as well, and we're currently up on this trade around 6.9 pips, which overall is about, it's almost 1%. Yeah, so 0.96, almost 1% up on this trade here, and we're just simply looking to collect around 4.32%. We can go for 5% really, which would be, you know, here. So it would be around 36 pips in comparison to 31 pips. Yes, I'll probably go for around 5% on this trade, and then I'll just close it out. Not too worried about that. All right. So we have 14.57% on gold. Okay. We have about, what is this? 27.69% on AUD/USD. All right, from the Telegram community. So 27.69%, not bad. Okay, then we're going to touch on a couple of more trades, but we're going to touch on a loser that we did take last week. It happens. Okay, I definitely want to show this loss here. So we're currently waiting on a trade to take place on Euro JPY, but we're not going to go over that. All right, simply saved for the Telegram clients. If you did see that trade, all right, then feel free to take advantage if you saw it. All right, I'm not going to trip too much. All right, just make sure you guys are risking 1% since it already showed. Feel free to take advantage. Anyway, so yeah, we did take a minus 1% on this trade here. Price literally just plunged right through this area. We didn't even have a reaction. So yeah, no harm, no foul, but we did take a minus 1% trade on Euro JPY. All right, so we're going to go ahead and mark this as minus 1%. And I hope you guys are seeing how important risk management is, right? So we're currently up 27%, 27.69% on AUD USD, currently up around 14.57% on gold, and we've won 2 trades so far, lost 1 trade, and our loss is only equating to around negative 1%. All right, now let's go to our last trade of last week, which, like I said, it was a pretty slow week, but here, this AUD USD trade, okay, here, we had a clear buy opportunity, and this trade actually only went 5%. Now, one thing about it, if we have any trade within the Telegram channel that hits at least 5%, all right, I'm always going to count it, okay, because my minimum target for every single trade that I take is 5%. So if I do hit 5% on a trade, then I'm very comfortable with closing profit, all right, and you guys should be as well. All right, so within the Telegram channel, if we ever hit 5%, then I am going to count it as a 5% trade. Okay, so with that being said, if we calculate, all right, so let's just put this here. All right, plus around 5%, perfect. So if we calculate all of the trades that we took last week, so we have 5% here, we have minus 1% on Euro JPY, then AUD USD we have plus 27%. Yes, 27.69%. And then gold we have plus 14.57%. So if we add all of that up, that equates to a total of, so our 3rd week in November, okay, that equates to a total of around 46.26%. All right, absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. So in a week, around $46,000 for any of my $100,000 FTMO funded students. Not a bad week whatsoever. All right. Now, with that being said, that also includes, or this does not include, this does not include our 2nd week in November sitting around 7.88%, and our 1st week in November sitting around 14.77%. So every single week in November so far, we have been profitable. I believe every single week in October and every single week in September, we have also been profitable. In August, I think we had 1 break-even week and 1 minus 1% week, but we still ended up around 27% in August anyway, so whatever. All right, so with that being said, I just wanted to hop on here. A lot of you guys have been asking me to keep you guys updated with the Telegram community, and I haven't been able to do that because I've been so busy, so I figured I would drop this video for you guys just to give you guys an update of how the Telegram community is doing and what you guys can continue to look forward to as it relates to my trades, especially moving towards 2022. All right, so with that being said, much love for you guys. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you would like to watch more videos and more breakdowns just like this one. All right, and feel free to click on the Telegram link in the description if you would like to join my Telegram community and receive access to my daily chart outlooks and be able to hop on the Sunday night webinar with me where we go over our weekly outlook. All right, with that being said, much love.